3 packs of that on my chicken. And it was the best deep fried chicken I've had in years.
So it was worth waiting.
Are you guys excited?
Well, it was already made.
We went to.
Moist.
This is not clickbait. I went to Popeyes, but even excitingger, they have RC cola. No, not RC. High C orange. My mom says it's almost exactly the same. I want to.
Or, you know, who was wondering, why am I not getting anything?
What?
With the fat part off.
Oh yeah, I didn't get, I got chicken strips.
The chicken was amazing.
This is it.
You got it?
Yes. I don't get your remarks saying that this is different from Orange Fruitopia, but this is still goated. Mom, my heart skipped a beat when I saw High C.
That was very exciting for me too.
Oh crap. I have no room on my lap. Ugh. Chicken. They gave me 2 biscuits! Ah. Oh no, again. Another one. And a KFC one.
Did you say you did use some of the hot sauce or you didn't use it?
I did.
And it was really good?
Whoa.
Yeah, it was that's from Louisiana.
Oh my goodness, they're gonna burn my
Put a
hand.
nice spice to it.
This is gonna burn my hand. It's like dripping hot grease.
I think it's slow down a bit.
What?
Slow down a bit, wait for it to cool off.
I'm gonna taste it. Ow. That hurt my leg. I'm gonna put that back in the box. It's actually painful when it hits you. Mom,
Yes,
it actually felt like it might give me like a burn. It's like boiled grease and it hit.
that's what deep frying is.
But it's still like dripping and it hit my leg and it burnt and it's like scalding.
Are you gonna live?
It actually hurt. It's like the same when I put like really hot water or I touched a sparkler with my hands once. And it's like the. I'll have to eat this over the.
Not bad slow.
Oh no, it's still dripping.
Like it. Maybe the next time I get Popeyes, as long as you got the grease changed. I have a couple pieces of chicken. Like a barrel of chicken might not be too bad. If I don't get heartburn from 2 pieces, if I eat now 4 or 5, I would definitely be probably getting it. But 2 pieces, might be still a little bit hungry, but nothing serious. But it really did. I enjoyed it.
Now this is great quality chicken. Ooh la la! You do not want to eat this every day. Only once or twice a year. No, I'm just kidding. This is actually goated.
For you, Stanley, it won't bother you as much as it will somebody older. You don't want to eat it and get fat and eat it like 3 times a week and then not get any exercise. Only with your fingers playing the game.
I know. Now that would be a disaster for your health. Maybe lower it to once or twice a month.
But fruit and vegetables, like Mom's going to introduce in our diet more, is something that you're going to be eating too. We're not going to be having like McDonald's while we're eating good stuff, because your body's growing rapidly right now, and what you put in it is going to make a difference on what you grow will be full of. Shit or good muscle and meat.
I'm recording. Looks like I peed my pants.
I accidentally sprayed me with a hose today.
that the box doesn't want to close. Find me another sip of godly orange soda. Mom, why is this so good?
Icy orange is best.
It's the same as Orange Fruitopia, but with a different name. There's a color on the bottle. Ooh la la! Ow! I went head first and sunk my teeth into a bone. Ugh!
Just take your time. You don't want to eat a bone and get that caught in your throat.
I keep on biting that. Ah, your butt. There's a little pocket. You should make boneless at Popeyes.
Chicken tenders and stuff like that are.
This is a big one. Big bite. Ah. My eye's been bugging me all day. I've been getting crumbs of pollen, food, and all kinds of stuff in it.
Oh, it's crazy today.
What?
Yesterday, you could see yellow powder on top of all the puddles after the rain.
That's what was down here.
I've never seen that. Pollen on top of the puddles.
Yeah, pollen on top of
That
puddles.
truck when we left on Saturday, remember?
Well, I knew we had pollen. You can't see it in the daytime, but in the early morning when the sun is just coming up, you can see the back windows of the house and the door are coated in pollen. Never seen that before.
Popeyes, you fill me up before I finish the meal.
And you can save some for tomorrow.
Yeah. So just more enjoyment. A little bit of Popeyes goes a long way.
Wonder why they didn't have sandwiches. They have them on the menu.
Oh.
I don't know, maybe he never had any ready, but he could have probably got them ready if
That
he was
was
going to wait. But
a goated
I
meal.
guess this time of night when they're probably not that busy, maybe they don't want to put too much behind it.
I got this at the Coke Freestyle machine.